same thing. Basically, when you let this be a replacement, the variable, you differentiate this, you'll cancel the one in front. Okay, and you eventually reduce it to O level form, which will make what you use the O level formula to integrate. Okay, so that's why we use a method of substitution. Okay, so you try first. Okay, so the reason why you can't integrate this straight, basically you need to differentiate this. Like, if you were to differentiate this, right, you'll get back this expression here. Okay, you can try. This method ensures that if you were to differentiate this, this would be 1 over 88, 11, 2x4 minus 1, 10. This will be 8x cubed. So this 8x cubed will just be cancel, 88. Okay. You see,